Hello, Simple Tech Boys, new product in from AENO, and it is a robot vacuum cleaner. Now becoming very popular in people's houses. Gets the work done while you're not there. All that kind of stuff's pretty cool. So you got a smart app, Google Play and App Store. 2-year warranties. This is the RC2S. There's a 3S as well. So you've got a wet and dry vacuum cleaner, super powerful. Cleaning area 150 meter squares without recharging. User friendly AENO app. So let's turn the box around. It is on the large side, so it's going to show you the back there. All the different languages there. You can scan for the app here and how to connect, all that kind of stuff there. And it has got other bits and pieces which we will speak about. Right, we'll have to move this guy around. So you've got all this there. You've got voice control, clean and schedule. You've got reliable Japanese Nidec motor, 600 ml a large dust tank, 350 ml a large water tank. Continual cleaning from the same place. Effective daily cleaning of pet hair. So you've got pets, pretty cool. And you've got the accessories inside, which we're going to take a look at there. And you've got precise mapping, LiDAR and 15 pairs of sensors, including infrared, collision, anti-fall, gyro and anti-bump. So let's get it out of the box and see what's inside. So, box opened, here we go. Pretty large box, so you get these kind of brushes here, which have markings on them, L and R. And the same again, so you have two sets of them brushes there. You've got this brush here, which looks like you can pull out dirt and so on. Filter. This is our mains, so that's your mains plug there. Then you have got this guy here, which will pop out. So this looks like the base where it will return to. Or charging. So you've got rubber feeting on the bottom, it's a charging base. So that's it there. Here is one of the water tanks. This is the water cleaning tank. So you pop your water in there and pop that in there so it slides in and out. And it's got this cloth underneath which is replaceable and washable, so you can swap that out. So here is the second one here. Pretty simple, your booklet here. So this will do for the two different types, the RC2S, RC3S. Alright, and here is the main guy, if you will. So we've done a couple of vacuums before like this, but not a while. But when they did come out at the start, these are fairly expensive, so the price has started to come down with them. But that's it there. So you've got your buttons here, your Wi-Fi, AENO here, and you have got remove before use here. So we'll just take them out, so we're going to be using it. And if you look around here, there's the wheels. So you've got a 360-degree wheel here. So these are the pieces here that will attach the base when charging. And you can see another brush here and another tank in here. So this actually pops down so you can see inside there. So you can get in there and clean these if needed. And that tank looks like it's fixed. And that's pretty much it there. So it's pretty well constructed, and you see this band going around completely, and you've got a vent at the back, or the fan here, and in here is where the other bits will pop on. So that's pretty much what it's like, and it's a bit of weight on it as well, and it does, as you can see, move up like that. So we presume that could go over your floor dividers in your house, and you got L and R here as well, left and right, and that's pretty much it there. There's loads of sensors on it, and it'll be interesting to see how these all work. There seems to be a bit of movement there, and that looks like where them other little pieces will pop on, so we'll have to check that out and get it all set up and put it together anyway before we start using it. So you can see there, robot vacuum cleaner RC2S, rated power 28 watts, Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz. So that's pretty much it there. So these are pretty interesting looking pieces. Oh, all right, and that's pretty much it. So you've got a rubber bumper on them there too, so that's obviously for collisions, stop it from bumping into things, and it does move up and down front and back there, and you've got a power button here. Let's see if there's anything in it. There is some lights.
Welcome to use robot vacuum cleaner. Glad to serve you. The robot is ready.
So that's pretty much it there. So we need to get it set up. You can see all these lights popping up here now, which is cool. So they're obviously going to be part of how it navigates around your house and so on. And of course we have to set it up and map out the 2 floors we want to test around here in the house. That's really about it and what's involved. So that's your Wi-Fi button there, so you'll have to pair that up once you get your app going. You've got your power there as well.
Returning to charging station.
So you can see that.
Anti-fall sensor is blocked. Please check and clean anti-fall sensor.
You can see that it's not shy on comments, which is pretty good. So that's pretty much it before we get it set up and running. You can see pretty much what the gist of it is there. Pretty nice product. Seems to be nice and robust. But stay tuned for the full review soon. And if you have any questions on these, do drop them below in the comments, as we're going to have a full review, show you the app and all that, how everything is done as we normally do. But this is just to give you a first look at this if you've not seen them, or if you're thinking of purchasing one for your home. And like I said, they have become popular and more affordable these days, and perhaps something you might be interested in looking in, which you can buy here in Ireland, by the way. And that's it for now. So stay tuned for more on techbuzzern.com. We'll talk to you pretty soon. And that's it for the moment. We'll see you soon.